Here we go, super overtime. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
Good start from Daniel. Just a bit too quicker for Habibur Sohan. That brings Saklan back on strike.
It's never easy to come in. You have been sitting out and you're not warmed up. It's hard to sight the ball. Remember, the bowler has been fresh, coming off a recent over. That's why they say it's very important to warm up.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Bounce again. Ahmed Danial backpedals and takes it. Very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going so forward as the follow through puts the break, runs back and takes an easy catch.
And as you just mentioned, putting the brakes on, running back and completing a decent catch.
Yeah, banking on his strength, Ahmed Danial. Even the first ball that he bowled, banged into the length. Once again, too good for Saklan. He completes a very good catch in the end. Saklan departs without troubling the scorers. Bangladesh A, 1 for 1.
Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Nazi Gori got an hand but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes to the boundary.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Danial. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure, that's pressure, Salman.
No need to change. He has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tailing down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. Nazi Gori, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary to the right hander. He has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Danial strikes for the second time.
Exactly as you just mentioned, just start from outside the off stump and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs. Half the over bowled. 7 to get for Pakistan.
Left and right hand combination, not a bad call. It's going to be interesting to see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
Make history or create history. The 4 fielders in the circle, short third, short fine, power point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the leg side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon.
Adakat. Field remains the same. In the slot, running to speedy stroke. Direct it would have had him. It was excellent cricket. That was excellent by Ripon Mandal. Off his own bowling, following through, trying to take the stumps off at the non-strikers end. Full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to bowl. Saad Masood, the good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Fall back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require 1 now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim. It was lovely to see the sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle.
Ripon.
Oh, inside edge and misses the stump. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition 3 times out of 7. Shines are the best team by far, remain unbeaten right throughout.
Great scenes there in the ground. The Pakistan players run out. They celebrate this win. Wonderful defense of a total which was far less than what was expected of them. 125 defended in magnificent fashion.